Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is square root of 32 divided by square root of 40 plus square root of 8 whole to the power of 27. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So now we need to find the value of this term. Okay. So the question, square root of 32 divided by square root of 40 plus square root of 8 whole to the power of 27. So now square root of 32 is there here. So now we can write this. So 32 8 times 4 divided by square root of, so here we have 40 is there. Now we can write this 8 times 5 plus square root of 8 whole to the power of 27. So now here we can apply this formula. A to the square root of a times b is equal to square root of a square root of b. Apply this formula. So apply this formula. Here we can write square root of 8 square root of 4 divided by square root of 8 square root of 5 plus square root of 8 whole to the power of 27. So now you can see here in these two terms we have common, that is square root of 8. So square root of 8. So in the numerator we have square root of 4. We can write this term 2. So square root of 4 which is equal to 2. So in these two terms we have common, that is 2 square root of 8. So we are taking out square root of 8 as a common. Here we will get leftover numbers. We will write here square root of 5 plus 1 whole to the power of 27. So now here square root of 8 square root of 8, these both are get cancelled. Now here we will get 2 by square root of 5 plus 1. So now here we have in the denominator we have square root of plus 1, right? So now here we can do rationalize. So in the numerator and in the denominator multiply by square root of 5 minus 1 divided by square root of 5 minus 1 whole to the power of 27. So now multiply these two terms, then we'll get 2 times square root of 5 minus 1 divided by, so here we have square root of 5 plus 1 times square root of 5 minus 1 whole to the power of 27. So now you can see here this is in a form of a plus b and times a minus b. So we know this formula, right? A plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So use this formula. Here we can write so 2 square root of 5 minus 1 divided by, so use this formula. Here we can write square root of 5 whole to the power of 2 minus 1 square whole to the power of 27. So now 2 square root of 5 minus 1 divided by, so square root of, here square root get cancelled, 5 minus 1 whole to the power of 27. So here 2 square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 which is equal to 4 whole to the power of 27. So here 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So now it will be square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 whole to the power of 27. So now here we can write this square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 whole to the power of. So here we have 27, right? We can write this 3 times 9. So now here we can apply this formula. A to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m whole to the power of n. So apply this formula. Here we can write square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 whole to the power of 3 whole to the power of 9. So now this is in a form of a by b whole to the power of m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. So this is the formula. So use this formula. Here we can write. So apply this power to each exponent. So square root of 5 minus 1 whole to the power of 3 divided by 2 cube whole to the power of 9. So now, so here this is in a form of a minus b whole cube. So we know this formula, right? A minus b whole to the power of cube is equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is the formula of a minus b cube. So use this formula. Here we can write. So square root of 5 whole to the power of cube minus 3 square root of 5 whole square times 1 plus 3 square root of 5 1 square minus 1 cube divided by, so 2 cube which is equal to 8 whole to the power of 9. So here square root of 5 power 3 which is equal 5 square root of 5 minus, so here square root get cancelled, 3 times 5 which is equal 15. So 15 times 1 15 plus, so here 3 square root of 5 1 cube which is equal 1 divided by 8 whole to the power of 9. So now here 5 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5 which is equal 8 square root of 5 minus 15 minus 1 which is equal minus 16 divided by 8 whole to the power of 9. So now here, so in these two terms we have common, that is 8. So we are taking out 8 as a common. Here we will get a square root of 5 minus 2. So 8 times 2 which is equal 16 divided by 8 whole to the power of 9. Here 8 both are get cancelled. So now here we got square root of 5 minus 2 whole to the power of, so here we have 9, right? So we can write this then 3 times 3. So again use this term. So use this formula. Here we can write square root of 5 minus 2 whole to the power of 3 whole to the power of 3. So again this is in a form of a minus b cube whole cube. So again use this formula. Here we can write so square root of 5 whole to the power of 3 minus 3 square root of 5 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 square root of 5 2 square minus 2 square 2 cube, so b cube now whole to the power of 3. So now, so square root of 5 cube which is equal 5 square root of 5 minus, so here square root get cancelled, 3 times 5 which is equal 15, 15 times 2 which is equal 30. So plus, so here 2 square which is equal 4, 4 times 3 which is equal 12, 12 square root of 5 minus, so 2 cube which is equal 8 whole to the power of 3. So here, so 5 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5, which is equal 17 square root of 5. So 12 plus 5, 17, right? So minus 30 minus 8, which is equal minus 38 whole to the power of 3. See, this is again in a form of a minus q, right? So again use this formula. So a minus b cube is equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So again use this formula. Here we can write 17 square root of 5 whole to the power of 3 minus 3 17 square root of 5 whole square times 38 plus 3 17 square root of 5 38 square minus 38 cube. So now here, so 17 cube, which is equal 4913. So 17 cube, which is equal 4913 times, so here square root of 5 cube, which is equal 5 square root of 5. So minus, so 3 and 17 square, which is equal 17 square is equal to 289, and 17 square, here square root get cancelled. 17 to 89 times 5, which is equal 1445. So now here we have 38 times 38 plus, so 3. So here 38 square is equal 1444. So now 38 square 144 and 1444 times 3, which is equal 4332. So now, so 4332 times 17 square root of 5. So minus, so here 38 cube is there. So 38 cube, which is equal 54872. So now here 4913 times 5, which is equal 24565 square root of 5. So minus, so 3 times 1445 times 38, which is equal to 164730 plus, so 4332 times 17, which is equal 73644 square root of 5 minus 54872. So now, so here we have square root of 5 and here we have square root of 5. So now add these two values, then we will get, so 24565 square root of 5 plus 73644 square root of 5, which is equal 98209 square root of 5. So minus here, so we have minus, it will become minus. So now we have to add these two values. So minus 164730 minus 54872, which is equal to minus 21960. So this is the value of, square root of 32 divided by square root of 40 plus square root of 8 whole to the power of 27 is equal, so is equal 98209 square root of 5 minus 21960. So this is the value of this term. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.